Okay.
This one belongs to me. I don't want to leave this one.
Okay. And the gentleman going down the road, we call him back.
Where you trash somewhere out?
Yeah, you know, say, I'm a thing I'm going to do for my van, my road license, because we know when the government man no contact and come on to the vehicle thing, you know.
Yeah.
Why is anything for the government? I know me that because I'm part of the government, man. You understand?
That's true, man.
So anything was the government, you know, want to contact with them.
You see it?
Go the right way, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So man today now go the right way, so me have to go the right way.
That's true, man. Hey!
Yeah.
That's a 3 now. Oh.
Even them up, no, Kevin or
Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Put them back down how they were.
Even them up.
Put
Even them up.
All right.
Hold on, let me help you up. Yeah, man. Sit there now. Come. Go hold more to the front so me help you take up here and then you come in. All right. Come in now. All right. You want to take more to your back?
Oh.
Take a little more to your back.
Yeah. Kelvin, be careful down the hill. Come in, know it's steep. Oh my God. Marcella, how much that you take out? About 4?
5.
5. Be careful. Oh my gosh.
Down the hill, huh?
Yeah. So guys, we just purchased the material and we're transporting it down the hill. So Mr. Kemp is assisting and we have another man by the name of Kelvin who is also assisting us. So we're grateful for that. Why you can't find?
Rat man ready?
I don't think so, sir. I must see me put it somewhere. I don't know where me put it.
Oh.
Rat one bush.
Oh my God.
When you go to clinic?
We
I'll go buy it again. Yeah. All of them. You don't want to look good? Huh?
Fix him up already.
Yeah.
You know, are you watching my help you, man? You can't imagine anyone help or you not helping. Can't imagine anyone help you, know?
I man a back. You might not take me that man. Joseph, you can't encourage him to the Mikey. To me. Yeah, help man.
We are so close. We are so close.
Yeah, help man, but can't tell the man to help me, help him man. Be all night man. There you go. If you want me, help you good. But you man,
We are so close here.
want the cylinder, Josie? Want the cylinder, don't you?
Finger and everything, or something. How much am I going to them closing? Yeah. I get the same treatment to like Rosie. Okay guys, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. So today we are at Miss Doyle's, and this is really not a schedule update because we were waiting to see if we could complete a number of things before we get back to you, you know, to show you where we were, but to show you what we would have done rather. But we're here today, so we'd have started a number of things. So we're just going to show you, just so you can have an idea what we would have done so far. So Miss Doyle, what is happened to the door now?
Gone with the key.
They gone with the key.
So next time I have to know what I do.
Yes. Okay, so you left the key in the door and go to the back of the house?
Put it down in there. One thief in boy, when I come and run him out of my yard.
Oh.
Your thief in go along with the boy. And my handbag in my search.
Oh. So yesterday you left the key in the door, went to the back of the house, come back and don't see it. Okay.
Come around the house and watch me. I push me living in.
Yes.
And I circle around the house and I watch.
Yes. Oh no.
3 key, we get Miss 3.
Alright, so guys, we're here changing the lock for Miss Doyle because somebody would have taken her key out of the door when she went to the back of the house yesterday, and so it's unsafe because she can't close it. She don't have the key, so we have to change the entire lock. Okay, we have to change the entire lock. Alright, so Mr. Kemp is doing the installation. Say howdy, Mr. Kemp.
Hi. Howdy, everyone.
Howdy. Yes. Wow, so guys, we would have been here on Saturday. Today is actually Monday, but we came here on Saturday. And let me just give you a view. We would have started the installation of the ceiling. Let me go inside. Let me come inside so I can show. So yes, see, we would have started the installation of the ceiling. The only part that was not done on Saturday would have been the bathroom, which I'll show you in a little while. But this is what it looks like. So far, it has not yet. So it got a first coating of the paint.
I like that one there where you take.
Yeah, same type may I give you so you can lock it inside without the key.
Yes, like inside. But when you go out, you lock outside.
May I go give you a handle upon it too?
Oh, okay.
Mr. Kemp?
Give me no donate, you know.
Mr. Kemp?
Quarter left.
Yeah?
Me a quarter chicken left.
Yes, Miss Doyle? Say chicken, you not finished? Oh,
She not finished the chicken yet.
no.
Oh.
About 2 weeks left outside.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, so you just cut it in 4, Miss Doyle?
Yeah, cut a piece of when I want and put back the balance.
Okay.
We are gonna tile the bathroom floor. Wednesday.
Up here, so.
No, the floor, the bathroom. We are tile the bathroom.
Oh. Then the part.
And we are do the shower. Yeah, we are do all of those. We are gonna tile it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And put in the toilet also?
Yeah.
Yeah. So between Wednesday and Thursday, that's supposed
We'll
to finish.
finish.
Yes, I can. With the brush, step on it and broke up here. I don't know where they.
Which brush?
It was wash out the toilet, but wash you.
Yes.
And guys, we want to tell you that we have been getting some overwhelming support from you. We are most appreciative, and this is how we have been able to start the work on the house of Miss Doyle because of your support, your donations. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate it very much.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell them some Mr. Thanks too.
Yes, Miss Doyle, they might hear you.
Thank you for what you do for me.
Yes, yes. Yes, Miss Doyle.
I'm sick.
Miss Doyle having the flu right now. I think mainly because because when we did the video initially, the time was dry. We weren't having any rains. I think we were going through a little drought period, and then the rain started.
And me carry and me tree again. I mean, I fret in all day, me die afraid over house.
You afraid over the house?
Yeah, cause Judy, me one nice friend and one brown girl, you know, one white girl. And I build a house, and I say, must come down and make them cook, give me. And I tell them, say, I can't live, cause they take away the key.
Oh, okay. So I think maybe Miss Doyle would have contracted the flu because of the whole rain that started, and the wind came in. But she's okay now. How you feel during the nights, Miss Doyle?
Me alright, man.
You're not cold again?
Oh, God, you mean last night?
Yes.
Me feel sweet, man. Me feel sweet.
Yes.
One night when the cold lick me, a thick blanket, they me take out.
Yes.
Stephanie, give me a
Yes.
anytime you come at me, I'll beg you, fail me, tear out that suitcase of me. Stephanie, give me one comforter in there.
Okay.
You know how long in there, but me can't pull it.
All right. We sort it out for you.
And me get it.
Yes. Yes.
May I give you a handle on the door to here?
Yeah.
So you can hold the handle and pull the door.
Let me come back, man. You know, get this again.
Yeah, so guys, we have a lot more work to be done on the house. A lot more. We have the pit to be done. It was scheduled to be started on Saturday, but somehow the gentleman never showed up. So that has been pushed back to Saturday coming. So we do the completion of the ceiling on Saturday, and also we're going to start working on the pit. So hopefully by Saturday, Miss Doyle will have her pit and our ceiling completed. And then we move on to some other things that we'd love to do for her. But as we go along, we'll give you an update as to where we are.
And I'm my last bird.
Yeah, yeah.
On fire. So me fi dash it, me fi dash with the building. And lady say, no do it have a scarlet.
Yeah.
King Galang. When I tell you go show you we start there sell egg. Go off for a tree.
Yeah.
And I had me have a walk as for Independence City. Fi mine me and she, mine
Yeah.
she that is stomach fi buy we want buy me bag. Me see them fi go hospital. And me get help. Cause pick me a help me.
Yeah.
Big people a help.
Yeah.
The same I word.
Yes, Miss Doyle. You're almost through with the installation, Mr. Kim.
We finish with one.
Oh, okay.
I put on the inside one now.
Okay.
How much angle you put on it?
2, Miss Doyle. One inside and one outside.
Okay.
So it should have easy enough for you to open the door, Miss Doyle. But you have to keep the key somewhere else.
Oh.
You.
Then I'll catch you again.
All right.
Me I put it around my neck. And me I got me put in my handbag.
It's a metal door, don't it, Mr. Kim?
Yeah, metal.
If you were the mayor, me, I said, me want saltfish.
Yes, they hear you talking about the saltfish ears.
Me here.
Yes.
But Jesus.
Good to go. All
Miss
done
Doyle?
now?
Yeah.
Sit there now, Miss Doyle.
Come back now.
All right.
I did boy up there, so I'm pussy, I boy.
Miss Doyle? I give you a light.
Yeah, give me one light.
Yes.
This cat you go give me.
I put it right here in
In
the
the
room.
center.
Where you got to know? We can stand up on that chair there.
Or me use the bucket.
That bucket here.
Oh.
You know, go bust with you.
Oh, you
Oh,
go?
not so heavy, Miss Doyle.
I rain not come.
Sound that way there?
You're gonna put the switch right there.
Yeah. Where's switch?
Cool, great. Oh, may I get this?
Yes.
Me I got it one light up here. So.
Yeah. Yeah, get one light over your head.
I light stuff. Give me, you know.
Yes.
That's you string it down.
Yes.
But the wire pay through JPS.
Yes.
So put me in that shit.
No.
Like a shot quarter girl there. Me love him so tell. If
Yeah.
ever even him attack me. I may ever talk loud and say, shut up! Shut your mouth!
Yes.
I'll say back and tell me, shut up! Me have to shut up and make him talk.
Yes. You have to listen to her. Yeah.
And a busy woman.
Yes. Yes, man. Me know she busy. She was here on Saturday and
Yes,
I know that she has a lot to do. Yes.
You know, I ain't clean up in the car.
Yeah, I know. Remember, we left her cleaning up Saturday night.
Can't manage it.
Yeah.
Can't manage it. That's it.
I kept away, I do.
Jesus.
So she just gonna have that one switch for the room for now. Later on, we install the bathroom one.
Yeah.
That's
Because we don't have no bulb in our bathroom yet.
Yeah.
And through the bathroom, now, the ceiling not put up yet, it wouldn't make no sense even put a
Yeah. Yeah.
bulb in there. Unless up on the wall I put it, but then you have to just wait.
what you call ceiling, the board like that. No in there.
No, not in the bathroom yet. You not going there? We never complete the bathroom as yet, so we finish it on Saturday.
Oh.
And do the pit for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I go for your red coat.
I think if it look like it'll go, because after this you still have the bulb to do, so the rain might catch us.
But I'll catch you. Soon come.
They say a lucky thing you put on the house, the ceiling. Is that that worth?
Yeah. You know what?
The words are sick.
You'd have sick more.
Yes, and last night I get a good sleep.
Yes.
I'm cover up under my blanket.
Yes, and warm. Yeah. But we still have a lot left to be done.
Man, I get up and say, thank you.
Yeah.
And thank all who help.
Yes, absolutely.
Bless them.
Yes.
Oh God.
Indeed.
I mean, me didn't need nobody to help me.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh God.
Yes, Mr.
In bed foot there, I stay little bed there.
Yeah, but not do it yet because we are going to come back and we have to go shift this stuff again.
I'll fit we can't do it.
Yeah.
In tram, you know.
Me know. Me see her.
Man.
Yes, she very strong.
So me have other stuff can't carry it in, man. Me tired. Yeah.
Yeah, man, the hill that treacherous bad.
Alright.
Last night.
What, the rat?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
This is Stephanie Gimson dead so we both, yeah.
Oh, shit. Stephanie said some rat poison. Okay, good.
And if you eat it, if you go and sit and take him in my run and I lick down.
Remember if they're big or small, me I forgot check them for you. The custard apple.
But they're in there.
They're there. Because that's how I knew it was a custard apple tree.
I want big one to make me look. I last year me look, not see what me look. It's one big one drop.
Yeah.
Round it right and drop. Me could have me and look me never see no.
Okay, okay. Them in there though, Miss Doyle. Me see them.
Me not cut it down there.
No, you can't cut it. So Miss Doyle, who teach him to do so much something?
In everything.
True.
Oh, wow. Okay. You're peeling off the wire.
How you fix that, so?
Yes, Miss Doyle. When we were doing the ceiling on Saturday.
Oh.
Yeah.
At this go there.
Miss Diana, you have it?
What, the receptacle? Oh, it's okay, Miss Doyle. We have another
What
one.
this?
No, it's alright. Me find one, Miss Diana.
Why me have... We went for the raincoats, Marcel, because the rain come now.
Miss Diana, why we leave, so?
She no mind.
You Miss Diana?
Yeah.
You know when we go away?
No, sir.
Okay.
It's a cook.
I cook.
No, see, say you can But you think I realize me a banana. Me love banana.
So guys, it's
They really card and
they're in
They
there
hide, Miss
already,
Doyle.
Miss Doyle.
Me hide them.
yeah, it them.
Yes.
Yeah, what I do.
Oh my. So guys, luckily, because if you look outside, you realize, I don't know if you're able to hear the rain. It is raining now quite heavily. So we're having rains quite frequently. So thank God that because of your support, we're able to do the ceiling for Miss Doyle, or else otherwise would have been exposed to the elements. So we're thanking God and we're thanking you so much for your support.
And I sleep good last night.
And you sleep good last night.
Cool air no coming.
No cold air no coming upon you. Isn't that wonderful? Yes. Nice. Very nice.
That's why I talk so hoarse.
Yeah.
You don't know this, huh?
Miss Doyle, maybe you should mind too much breeze in your face from the rain. Oh, okay. Okay. Go turn it on now.
Take off.
Okay. All right. Whoa, Miss Doyle. Yeah, you have light. Yes.
So that the switch off here.
For the light.
To turn it on, yeah, turn on the bulb and turn it off. No man, you don't have to
No,
go in
you
the
don't have to
junction
touch
box. Yes, so we have a lot more to do. Like I said earlier, we have the bathroom ceiling to be completed. We have a number of things in the bathroom to be done. Rendering, a little tiling, the installation of the toilets, and a number of things. What else, Marcel? Oh, the shower section there needs to be extended because it's very narrow. So Miss Doyle will not be able to stand in it comfortably. So, or to move around in it comfortably. So we'll have to fix that. And the closet needs to be done as well. So like I said before, it's quite a lot that we have left to be done. But we move by the grace of God and we'll complete it in short order, we hope. All right, so guys, when we did the video of the stove, when we put on the regulator head and lit the stove, and we're teaching Miss Doyle, or showing her rather, which burner is for which knob is for which burner. Someone in the comment section had commented to say, you know, we should label it with the letters O for oven and F for front and B for back. So we thought that was a wonderful advice. So we have done so. So we would have cut the letters O, F and B. So O for oven, F for front burner, and the B for back burner.
It's for the back.
No, O is for oven.
For the oven.
Right, and when you see the F now, it means it's for the front burner.
Yeah.
And the B is for the back burner.
Oh.
So you shouldn't make any mistake with that now, because it's much easier. Right. Because you have been using it and you've been doing pretty good, right? Right. So this is just you know, a little reinforcement. In case you don't remember, then this can remind you. Right. Right, so thank you. Thank you so much for your comment. We value your comment. It was a beautiful idea and we love it. So see we have, you know, cut out the letters, and this should be easier, much easier for Miss Doyle to handle the stove. All right, so thanks so much. Right, so thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. We are most appreciative.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you for help me.
Yes.
I did need the help.
Yes.
Amen. Thank you. God bless you.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you
So.
very much. Tell the people in here that bought me up on this street.
Yes.
Bought them up on this street. And them help and them get me on to you people. Bless you.
Yes.
I don't want to know if it leave me out. Remember me.
Yes.
Oh God.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. So you heard from Miss Doyle. Thank you very, very much. And as time progresses, we'll give you further updates as to what we are doing. So that would be it for now. Like I said before, next time we see you, we'll give you another update All right, so thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Until we see you next time, be safe and blessed love.
Amen.
Alright.
God bless you people.
Yeah. Yes.
I mean, don't make go and see.
So the rain come back down hard, guys, and so we have to leave now in the rain. So wow. So Mr. Kemp outfitting his raincoats because we're gonna be heading up the hill. It's a good thing, you know, actually when we came down the first time we came without it, and the hill is so treacherous. Mr. Kemp had to make a second trip up because we saw the rain set up, so we knew it was going to rain. So he made a second trip up just to get a raincoat. And I'm thankful too because myself feel, you know, I'm a bit under the weather. So I don't want it to get worse. Yeah. This one here, we're gonna conceal it somewhere. Yeah. Where you gonna put them?
I don't know.
Just rest them on the logs.
No, I want to throw them away.
Oh.
Miss Doyle, where you burn garbage? No, I not left it out here so for you take up it.
Marcel, just put them right at the...
Alright, let me tell you my burn garbage. You see the mango tree there, sir?
Right there, sir.
Yeah, over time I need you really to see the rubbish from there.
Oh, okay. So, Miss Doyle, we're going to leave now. You lock up properly. Oh, we love you too, Miss Doyle. We love you too. Yeah. Yeah, the lights. So you've been here for years without lights. Yeah. Yeah, you feel good. Yeah. All right.
Miss Doyle, remember the key? Hey!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have to hold on to something to go up. Because the road is slippery now. Oh wow. I have to rest. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. This hill now, it's not nice. Alright, hold on.
Pull the bottom button on the coat.
It's not the, I think it's because I have a phone in my pocket.
Oh.
Yeah. Usually when I'm going up this hill, I don't look up. Because if I look up, it's a reminder of how far I have left to go.
You almost reach.
So I just hold down my head and keep walking. Yeah. Oh my God. Very tiring, very tough hill. Oh my.
You look up now.
Oh yes. We're at the roadside, thank God. Oh my word. Oh wow. Thank you, Lord. Woo. Oh my God. Oh, my knees hurt. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my. All right. That's it, guys. Huh? Yeah. That's it.
Water running on the road.
Huh?
Water.
Yeah. Whew.